Berry Francis, the CEO of Berry IT Solution TV. So try and follow my channel or my page, and you will learn a lot of IT tutorials. Thank you. Hi guys, this is Berry Francis, and you're watching Berry IT Solution TV. I am the teacher for the day. I'm going to teach you how to install Remis operating system on your PC. Let me explain to you how the Remis OS works. If I say Remis OS, it's not anything but an Android operating system which helps you to use Android operating system on your PC. There are so many Android operating systems, but the Remis is the latest and the best one I recommended for you to run or install it on your PC. Here is Berry IT Solution, and it gives you the best IT solution across the world. So kindly subscribe to my channel for more IT tutorial. Today, as I've told you, I'm going to teach you how to install Remis OS or Android OS in your PC. You need a PC or a laptop, and you need the Android OS ISO file. In my other video, I taught you how to install the same Android OS in the laptop, and that one is not the Remis OS, or that one the Remis Android. That one, the normal Android, is Android 8. That one I use a pen drive to install that Android, or I use the pen drive for installation. But today I'm not going to use the pen drive for installation. I'm just going to use the Android installer for this installation. So stay back and watch the steps as I'm going to teach you one after the other. Thank you for watching. Let's continue with the steps. So you need to download the Remis OS file. It contains the installer. So if you download only the image form or the ISO, it's very difficult for you to install it in your laptop or your PC. So I've already downloaded the zip one in my file. So I'll open my file and I'll unzip. Here is the zip one of the Remis OS for PC. The Remis OS or the Android operating system for the PC. I'm going to teach you for the day. So I will open the Android OS for the PC, and this is how it looks. So this is the main ISO file. This is the main ISO file. So you extract this to the desktop or to any folder you want, and this is the installer. I'm going to use this installer to install the ISO file of the Remis. So here I already extract the file, so I don't need to install, or I don't need to open the Remis for PC installer. So use the installer. I'll open the installer, then I will extract the installer. So I'm extracting the installer for the after extracting the installer, or after opening the installer, it will give you a pop-up which will give you the steps for you to follow and install the Remis OS. And put in mind that this is a full installation of Android operating system, so the machine or the laptop will restart several times. So don't worry when it prompts you to reboot or to restart the laptop. Now this is the interface of the installer. This is the interface of the installer. This is the interface of the installer. So now we are going to use this interface or this installer to install or to copy any files necessary for the Android installation. So here it says you should fill the bracket here with the ISO file. See, this bracket is empty, there's no ISO file in it, so you just click on browse, then you locate where you extract the ISO file. I'll click on desktop and I'll click on open. Then I'll search for, I'll scroll down for the, yes, this is the RMIS. I'll click on it, then I'll click on open. It will load to this brackets as I've told you. So here is the RMIS OS. After that, okay. After clicking on OK, you will see a pop-up like this. You see a pop-up like this, which is extracting and copying files. Downloading files has been done. Now we are extracting and copying files. After that, it will install the bootloader and complete or installation complete, and it will reboot. So we are now on extracting and copying the ISO file. You are watching Buffy IT Solution. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more IT tutorials. Thank you. The best IT tutorials in the world. Now, after all the files have been successfully copied or done, then you click on reboot to reboot to the next stage of the installation. Thank you for watching this stage. You are watching Buffy IT Solution TV, best IT Solution TV in the world. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more IT tutorials. Now you may see the laptops have the laptop have or the PC have restarted. So let's see if it will pop up the RMIS OS so that we continue with the installation. So let's wait and see what will happen. You see, now we have a RMIS, we have our Windows OS and RMIS OS. And now we are still on the RMIS, we are still installing the RMIS OS. So you scroll down, or you scroll down to the RMIS OS and you enter to boot from the RMIS OS. After clicking the RMIS OS, the system will still restart again and boot straight from the RMIS OS. You see a file here, you see a file here. Don't do anything with it, it will do it. Yeah, you see it's copying files. You see how it's doing. The Android installation is still on progress. Now it is formatting the data partition. The drive or the hard drive you partition, which is, I choose 8 gig, it will clean everything and install the Android OS on it. So this is how it is being done. You are still on installing Android OS in your PC. I've already taught you how to install another Android before. First one, which we use pen drive to install, and this one I don't use any pen drive to install. This one I don't use any pen drive to install this one, but the first one I taught you, we use a pen drive to install. Now you see Android. You see this is the RMIS OS. The RMIS OS. And the RMIS operating system. It's an Android, full Android operating system. Here it will take a few time before it will open. So I have lines on my screen. That's why I see some 2 lines or 3 lines on my screen. Don't worry with it. I'm just using it to teach you, or you are just using the laptop to learn. So don't worry with the lines or whatever you see on the screen. Just concentrate on the lesson I'm teaching you. You are learning how to install Remis OS in your laptop or your PC, which gives you a dual boot of your normal Windows. You see, now it has opened. Then you follow the steps. Here too, you select the language you want to use. You select the language you want to use. So you click on the language. Then after clicking on the language, yes, user agreement is a user agreement. You click on agree. Then you go to Wi-Fi setup. I'm not going to connect into any Wi-Fi right now, so I'll just click on skip. Just click on skip. Then if I want to activate a Google Play Store right now, but I'll click on next. Just click on next. Then it will come up startup complete. Then you finish with it. So this is the full Android operating system, and the name of this Android operating system is Remis OS. We have done with it. So you have two bootable, or you have two operating systems on your laptop now, or your PC. I'm having Windows 10 OS and Android OS, and this is how the interface of the Android OS looks like. This is how it looks like. You have your Google, you have your File Manager, you have everything. You have Chrome, you have App Store, you have Calculator, you have prayers, you have messengers, you have Facebook. Anything Android phone does, the same Android operating system on your laptop too does the same thing. Open camera to allow you. So you see, it has opened the camera. Everything is working perfect. So viewers, thank you for watching. Reboot and see if it will come or it will not come. So let's reboot and see. If you want to restart the machine, just go here, tap here, and you restart the machine. You have two operating systems here now. You have to choose an operating system. Choose an operating system. So you have two operating systems now. So you choose one. You have Windows. I'm having Windows 10 here and Remis OS. So I can choose Windows 10. Or I can choose Windows. So this is the Remis OS. This full Android operating system for your PC, and we have done with the installation of Remis OS in your PC. Stay back and watch for the next tutorial. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more IT tutorials. Thank you for watching. Thank you.